What up? Good evening, good morning, good evening, what's up, good afternoon, wherever you're joining from, wherever you're joining from. How are you doing today? Come on, come on, come on. If you can hear me, let me know. Tell me where you're joining from. Let me know where you're joining from. I want to connect with people on Facebook. Yes, let's get to work. You're welcome to another cryptocurrency outlook section. Today, my name is Mayowa Owolabi. I'm the founder of Owolabi company. I'm really excited to be live with you today, 16th of November 2023. And today, we're going to be talking about what the cryptocurrency market has for us. For a lot of you that have been following me on YouTube, you guys know what we're talking about. We've been talking about this industry even when we were going through the downtime during the bearish season. And I can tell you for free, this is the time to start loading up. One of our major indicator came up in the month of September, and guys, it was no brainer, as I told a lot of people in our community to start buying. Some of the project I gave you guys the other time has been manifesting, has been doing really well. This afternoon, Bitcoin got back to 38. It's currently retracing. Let's see what will happen at that level. Okay, but I'm really I'm really waiting to see what will happen around 43. Around 43, we're going to be looking at 43,000. We're going to be looking at what the market will be given. You must be positioning for what it is. However, this is the time to start buying the DGens project. And personally, I don't have any Bitcoin, not because Bitcoin is not good, but Bitcoin cannot give me the return that I'm expecting. So that is why 60% of my portfolio is on DGen project that can give me 50x minimum. Okay, then other projects are on blockchain launch pads, as the case may be, depending. So, however, we need to also honor. We need to talk about what Bitcoin is doing, because it's the father of the market, and as the king, you must always give honor to it. So I'm really expecting a decision around 43, 44,000. I expect the market to give us a rejection that we've been waiting for around that place. However, this is the month is we are in November right now. We are and the bull run starts from the month of April 2024, and at April 2024 we're going to be going in heavily, like big time. We're going to be going in heavily. So you and I don't want to miss out at all. We don't want to miss out at all. Congratulations for a lot of you that bought CDOS. I told you guys to buy CDOS. CDOS has currently done more than 350%. So that's a very good one for you guys, for those that bought CDOS. For those some of you that bought, I think I spoke about that some of the projects I've mentioned before. Hello, a lot of you that bought Hello project currently has done. Let me don't talk from here. Let's go online. Let's go online. I think Hello should have done more. Woo! Hello Lab project. Let's see what that is doing right now. Hello KD. So Hello projects do a broadcast that we are live for crypto on the crypto group. It's still loading right now. So what project are you guys looking at? What project do you want us to confirm today? Let's check what is happening in the fundamental market. Let's know the situation of sentiment wise. Okay, fantastic. Hello currently is at 12 cents. And I remember telling us to buy it. Where did I tell you guys? Let the page load up completely. So what project are you looking at for the next bull run? What project are you looking at? I have four basic project basic category I'm looking at. I'm looking at games lab. I'm looking at blockchain. I'm looking at uh, 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 I'm looking at metaverse. I'm looking at metaverse, and yeah, we have blockchain service, we have blockchain infrastructure, all together, end of the blockchains. Okay, I'm looking at that, and I'm also looking at launch pads. Launch pads are always very, very, very good. Okay, launchpad are always very, very good. For the past 30 days, LO has been doing over 90, has done over 96%. And for the past 3 months, he has done 186%. That's a very good investment right now. Okay, imagine you putting in $100 and you have $286 in return, which is very, very good. So I'm happy for you. Good to have you around. Adelekon. Adenekon. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. Good to have you around. Okay. Ibas Bless. Good to have you around. Okay. Bless says, can we buy TKO now, sir? Or it will still go down? Start buying, no. Okay, blessing. I gave you TKO last week or 2 weeks ago. Start buying. If it goes down, do dollar cost average on it. Okay, start buying. TKO is a project in is an exchange, an Asian exchange. It is owned by Binance. Okay, it is owned by Binance. So start buying. If it reduces, if it goes down more, we'll add more position to it. So I think TKO should do well in the next bull run. You should do it the next bull because Binance just bought them. If you have bought TKO 30 days ago, you would have made 23% right now, which is not bad. Okay. Binance just bought them last year. Was it last year or this year? I think they bought them this year, April. So, which is very good. They bought them this year, which is good. As a matter of fact, when Binance bought them, if you had bought TKO, you would have been profit of 165% right now. Okay, so start buying. If it goes down more, buy more. It's not a bad project at all. Bless. Is that clear? Blessing. Or Gabi Michael, good to have you on. Benga Adigbeson, good to have you on. Owolabi, good to have you guys on today. So what project are you guys looking at? Hey, Lucky not even salute me. Lucky just say make I check project. I don't get. Lucky, how's happening now? You don't even salute me. There's God though. So I should check BLT. It's called as e dey hot, abi? As e dey hot. That's block 2, right? Is that block 2? Clestus Michael, it's been a while. Yes. So let's check block 2. I think block 2 is, let's check what block 2 is doing. Let's check what block 2 is doing. Block 2 is on 2 cents. Block 2 has good investors. As a matter of fact, block 2 has over 22 investors. That's crazy. 22 smart investors, which is one of my attraction if I'm going to invest in block 2. Okay. They even got a grant from Ethereum Foundation. That's good. Block 2 is at 2 cents. It's a low cap. Is a DGEM project, and it's around the diluted market cap is $10 million. That's not bad. So block 2, I think block 2 is a good one because one of the things, part of my condition is that number 1, it must have an investor. If a project does not have investor, I cannot go in. I can't go all in, like all in. Okay, but for it to have Animoca is one of my A investor. LD Mark Capital is my another A investor. Who else is there? Mark Cuban is an A investor. Like Mark Cuban is a investor for me. Mark Cuban, because before Mark Cuban will put money in any project, Mark Cuban would have done his due diligence. So these are the reasons why I can put my money. So imagine Mark Cuban putting 100 million in a project or 50 million in a project. I'm sure you can put in your $50, your $100, your $200 there. Why? Because these are people who will do their due diligence before investing in any project. Okay, but for me, two cents is not bad, but I would like it to come to like more. 2 cents is not bad at all. We're able to raise 80 million at valuation. They did a fundraising 2 years ago from Akuben. They did $8 million in 2021 by Animoca and some other guy. So blockchain is not a bad project. It's not a bad project at all. At least it has met the major checklist for me. Yes, it's been a while. Yeah, my brother, it's been a while. So, but on the sentiment level, the market is on greed. That is 70% on greed. 70% on greed means that there will be a potential retracement soon, because you buy when people are fearful, you sell when people are greedy. So right now, I'm just going in about 50%, about 30 to 50% of my capital that I'm going in on the next bull run. Okay? Then when I can see anything below 20, I'm going to load up my assets to run up. So that is if you're checking the fear and greed, the fear and greed meter. And I like to always check the fear and greed meter. Very important. Very important. By the way, if you want to join me on YouTube, just go to Owolabi TV. For a lot of you that are on Instagram, if you want to see my screen, just go to you get that? Cool. So sentiment is greed. Let's see what how that goes. Okay, another project. Type in the project you guys want us to check today. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. And you guys need to like this video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Adegbile Official Simple. Good to have you on. Okay. So Adeneka says we should check Naka. Let's go and check Naka. So why did you pick Naka? Why? Why did you pick Naka? Adeneka, why did you pick Naka? Naka is a game platform. It's a game project, sorry. It's called Nakamoto. Amazing project. My eye is on it, but I have a challenge with the rate. The price currently is at $1.33, and it has 241 million diluted market cap. That's much for me, for degens, but it's not a bad project for a normal low project. Can you imagine? It was before, as at this year January, it was at 0.1. It has done more than 1,000% right now. Don't miss crypto, guys, so that it won't pain you. So it's a good project. At least the all-time high is $6. Okay. So if I want to go in on Naka, if I want to go in on Naka right now, if I want to put in $200 or $500 in Naka, I'll just put in $200, 50% or less. So I'll wait for the market to retrace. Then I will add the rest. That's where I will treat Naka games. That's where I'm going to treat Naka games. If I'm going to put money in Naka games, Naka is a good project. Just that it's currently not a degen project for me because of that price. $1 is not really a low for me. Okay. Tell me. Tell me, which other project do you want us to check today? other projects. Can I still join Carrot Karat project? Ah, I told people to buy Karat since now. Is it since or Tete? I don't know why you have not joined Karat Tete. You can still join it. Bull Run is still fresh now. Bull Run is still very, very fresh. Karat did 10% today. And from when I told you guys to buy Karat, okay, you can join Karat. Karat is a good project that I will wait on for throughout the next bull run. Karat already has done 73%. That's crazy. That is crazy. In the month of November alone, he has done 64%. Don't let it pass you. Don't let it pass you. Okay? I think Karat is a good project, but like I said, it's an extremely risky project. Okay? It's an extremely high project. So, because of this low price, but when you check the diluted market cap is over 100 million. So if this guy does 1 billion, you can still do over 1,000x, 1,000% on Karat, which is good. Which is good. And we have Ashki Capital there. Ashki Capital is there. Some amazing guys are here. As one of there are about 33 people 33 investors that are here. So Karat is not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. Okay? Any other question? Any other question? There's a meme coin I'm looking at, and I've been looking at this meme coin for a while. I'm just joining live. Abigail. Hey, Abigail, how you doing? There is a meme coin project I'm looking at. The maximum you should put on a meme coin project should be $100. I don't, even if you can put $50 it's fine, because it's called a meme coin. It's called a meme coin. So the project is called Apollo Crypto. Apollo Crypto If you put $30 there now, please do your own research. Oh, I'm not affiliated to them. Okay, I just pick. I just do my general analysis, no affiliation. They didn't pay me to do this, and do your own research before you put your money. And if you are putting money, make sure it's the money you are willing to risk. Okay, please don't put in any money if you are not ready to lose it. That's why you have to do your own research. Okay, so Apollo Crypto is one of the projects I'm looking at. Okay, if you put in a $30 in Apollo right now, you'll get 7.8 million coin. So, and to the all-time high, Apollo should be able to do 1 cent. If Apollo does 1 cent, that's $70,000. Okay, that's why meme coins are powerful. But meme coins are extremely very risky, very risky. So I've always taught you that you should always put it at 10% of your entire market or entire capital. 10% of your entire capital. Don't ever put in any meme coin project more than 10% of your entire capital. Don't ever. Don't ever. If you really want to be successful in crypto, meme coin are good, but they are better safety. Remember the rule of money when it comes to investing is protect your capital, right? Good. So always do your research. So I feel that in the next bull run, Apollo Crypto should be able to give us something good for the next bull run. Okay. So somebody from Instagram is saying, "Good afternoon, sir. How do we pick a coin to analyze?" There are several coins to analyze. To pick a coin, you must understand cryptocurrency. Okay, you must analyze understand cryptocurrency, then understand the categories in cryptocurrency. When you understand the categories in cryptocurrency, then you now ask yourself, this category, is it good for me to invest right now? Because some people just invest in any project. No, there are categories that will deliver in the next bull run. There are categories that will not deliver in the next, that has potential of delivering the next bull run. Okay, and if you have joined earlier, I said that part of the categories I'm looking out for in the next bull run is games. Okay, I'm looking at games developer in the next bull run. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, I want to check Launchpad in the next bull run. Launchpad always perform in the next bull run. Okay, Launchpads always perform in bull run. Okay, like Meta VPAD did well in the last bull run. AI pad should do well in this next bull run. So there are so many projects. So it is by category that you pick a coin. Then the next thing is that you now check who are the investors in this project. Who are the investors in this project? What are people saying about this project? Who are the people talking about this project? Is that clear? Adegbile. So all of that will help you to be able to take the right decision. Okay, however, if you want to know more, you can join our academy. We have a training of that and we allow you to know how to do it deeper. But with what I've mentioned is even enough for you to succeed. Yes, it's enough for you to succeed. But you just have to do more research to know those projects and be very, very intentional about your research. Okay, good. Okay, so Adenekon says, what was the reason behind buying when the fear and greed is 70? Okay, because there's an approach called dollar cost average, Adenekon. Dollar cost average means that I can buy, and when it goes down more, I will add more. Instead of waiting because the season has come. Do you understand? Because the season has come, I can move in. I can move in, but I'm not going to move in completely. I'm not moving in completely. Is that clear, Adeneko? Okay, cool. Very good. You told us you will give us an airdrop last week. I hope you have not forgotten. I forgot it. And I think a lot of the airdrops now, I will work on, we'll work on how to raise diamond. Okay, I'll tell the admin not to forget. Hey, Ibas Bless says you are the best. Thank you so much, Ibas Bless. Thank you. Which exchange is Apollo Crypto on? Apollo Crypto, I think, should be. Remember, it's a meme coin. Oh. Don't go and say, Mr. Mayowa say you should buy. Oh. You have to use buy it on Trust Wallet using Uniswap. So it's not on a centralized. You use decentralized. Buy it through Uniswap. Okay. Joshua says, can we buy WikiCat? I'm not available. WikiCat is a meme coin, so if you want to buy it, it's not a bad one. Meme coin is chance, it's chances, like chances. It's chances. Okay. There's a possibility that it will dry, there's a possibility that it will deliver. Okay. Good. Are we good? Hope I've been able to help you guys today. And if you're interested in joining our community, DM me or you call the number on the screen. We have about 75 projects ready for our community members to profit from. It's going to be an amazing bull run, okay? That'll be all for today. And I hope to see you guys again next week. If you have any question on crypto, feel free to ask questions, because if you ask the right questions, you'll get the right answer, guys. If you ask the right question, you will get the right answer. But the question is, are you writing? Are you doing the right answer? Are you asking the right question? Sorry. Adeneko says, God bless you real good. Is my prayer. Amen. Fire. God bless me real good. Okay. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow, next week, where we'll talk about cryptocurrency. Have a great day, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace out. Don't forget, if you want to get started, reach out to the number, DM me, and let's make some money together. I'll talk to you guys soon.